This video has been made possible by the following sponsors. Make sure to check out their links in the description down below.
Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to another Oliver's Cars and Reviews video here, where you join me here at Miss Kebabs for the Ocar Cars and Kebabs car meet. Once a month where you get to see some amazing cars here that turn up here at Miss Kebabs. But anyways, let's get to the cars, shall we? This should be a pretty fun night here at Miss Kebabs for the Ocar Cars and Kebabs. Ocar. Nice canary yellow VL. Looks awesome. Just park in the corner there. Park in that corner. Another VL. Nice STK. Yep, good. Nice VX SS with the LS1 V8. Looks beautiful. Beautiful Tirana. Ford Zephyr, very beautiful. We got Cameron with his FPV GT Mark II. Looks amazing. In octane orange too. Very nice FGX XR6 Ute, very beautiful. That is nice. First back. Nice R34, very beautiful. Very nice HK Kingswood owned by Andrew. Hey Andrew. This Lotus Elise. This is cool. This is nice. Yep, back, you're alright. That looks cool. Burgundy, maroon, red too. Here we got Lloyd's C8 Corvette, very, very beautiful car this is. Also got a VX Commodore V6. Also got an Evo 3, this is. Hey, Patrick Photography, go follow him on Instagram. Beautiful Evo 3 this is, very beautiful car this is. Absolutely love this, the 4G63 I think this has got underneath, very nice. And we also got Sarah and Phil's amazing 67 Impala here with the backstory behind it as well. If you want to go see that, the link is on your screen right now. We also got XP Falcon owned by Kenny. Thanks for showing up, mate, appreciate it. We also got Phil and Sarah's amazing MPS Mazda 3 here, so thanks for them for showing up too. We also got an XR6 Turbo we got here, BF that is, and we also got Cody with his Mercedes as well, which looks absolutely amazing. We also got a, what's that, Hyundai? Hyundai, that's not a Veloster. Those aren't Veloster, I think it's a Veloster. Very nice indeed. Here we got 8 on 80p, I think I remember this car actually. It's not bad. We also got the, there's a BF. It's beautiful. XR6. Got a Ranger, or was that an XR8? I'm not too sure. We got a Ranger here, or no, Courier. There's a Ford Courier that is. Utes. We also got an STI. So this is a Subaru WRX Blob-Eye STI, which looks absolutely killer. This does in grey too. Don't see them in that colour much. So got the 4B we got here. That's nice, and it's for sale as well. 23,000. Very nice D-Max. Very nice. This VZ Commodore. This is. With Senator interior, very unusual. We also got a Rexy as well. Very nice wide body too. I love the wide bodies. And we also got another Rexy as well. Not a wide body, but very clean. We also got Dale's HSV Maloo here. And also got Skylar from Skylar Marsh Photography. Thank you so much for coming, mate. Very nice. And we also got Neil and Vicky's Tirana here. Looks absolutely amazing. Very beautiful car. And we also got Peter Butler's amazing FGX as well. Thanks so much for coming. And we also got an R34 Skyline here, GTT, a two-door as well. That's very nice. Whoever brought these along, thank you so much. Got Ben leaving now with his Calais VL. See Ben? Beautiful. That is a nice car. R32 Skyline, look at this. Very nice. Both my man in the cooler, can't go wrong.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
It's that nice little bit of a burble at the end, eh?
Hey Phil. Here we've got a really nice BMW Z3 that just rocked up here. It looks very awesome, this does. We've also got this really nice Honda S2000 here. Absolutely amazing. This is pushing like 400 horsepower, turbo VTEC. This is K20, K24. Looks absolutely amazing. Beautiful. And we also got a VX here, VX SS with a 5.7 litre LS1. This looks absolutely amazing. Appreciate it. See ya. Yep, you're good. Straighten her up, yep. Nice King HG, yep. Very beautiful. Got Falcons leaving now. See yous. Thank you so much for coming. Got this thing that rocked up. Very nice SSV Redline Series 2. Beautiful. SSV Redline VE Series 2 this is, very nice. Also got Vicky's Tirana, Vicky and Neil's Tirana, and we also got a very nice R34 Skyline here, very beautiful. Very nice FC RX-7. No front license plate as well, I like that. Looks better. Got the Rexies leaving. See you, mate. Got the Euro boys. Righto, attention please, we're doing the raffle now. First of all, thank you so much for coming out, and let's kick off with the raffle. But first of all, we're doing a best car award, and the award goes to whoever owns that beautiful VG Valiant there. Absolutely amazing. Come and collect your prize. You're welcome. So first prize of the night goes to the beautiful VG Valiant with the $100 gift voucher from Wells. So there
Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
Yay! Well done.
So now let's kick off with the raffle. So first of all, let's shake it up, obviously. We have a Bathurst 1000 piece puzzle set, courtesy of Repco Hervey Bay, right there. And good luck. Who's it going to be?
What's them tickets?
Blue B38. Blue B38, yes! Show it.
Is that the one you wanted? Yes.
Not the one you wanted, eh?
Awesome.
Winner of the amazing Bathurst 1000 puzzle piece set. Congratulations. You're welcome. So this right here is our brand new sponsor that has come on board, All Auto Detailing from Maryborough, our first Maryborough sponsor. This is a free mini detail from them, courtesy of All Auto Detailing. So let's go, eh? A38, red A38. Red A38. Yeah!
it. Yeah.
Changed it, and also you get a sticker and an handprint.
I lost it. Thank you.
Well done. Good effort.
Righto, next is Ultra Tune Hervey Bay Pialba with their $50 gift voucher, courtesy of Ultra Tune Hervey Bay Pialba. Thanks to Andrew and all his team. And let's carry on, shall we? Who's it going to be tonight? Red 834. Red 834. Come up. Yes, congratulations. Yep, that one. Righto, next is a small free kebab meal courtesy of Ms. Kebabs and Grill and Abraham and their team. Thank you so much for all their hard work and also supplying the venue as well. So give a big round of applause for Ms. Kebabs and Grill for what they do.
Woohoo!
Who's it going to be? Green C47.
Green.
Again? Awesome.
Yeah, okay, mate. Thank you. Good to see you, buddy.
See you, Mick.
Thanks, Mick. Thanks
No
for
worries.
supporting
Thank you
us,
so
mate.
much for support. Righto, next is 20% off anything, courtesy of Wallace and Automotive and Performance. Thank you so much for coming on board as major sponsor. Righto, so who's feeling lucky tonight and who's it going to be? We got Blue B30.
Blue B30.
Oh, gosh.
On fire.
Thank you very much.
You're very much
Well
welcome.
done.
Well done. And last and final prize of the night is a free basic service from Wallace and Automotive and Performance. Who's it going to be tonight? Who's feeling lucky for this free service? Yellow D52.
Yellow.
Yellow D52.
Yes.
Really?
There you go. Well done, man.
Good job. Congratulations, Neil.
Well done, mate.
So this has been Oliver's Cars and Reviews for Ocar Cars and Kebabs. This has been absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for everyone that has been coming to these events. It's just absolutely amazing. And if you want to support Ocar Cars and Kebabs, it's on every third Saturday of every month. Details will be on screen. Link is down in the description below for Ocar Cars and Kebabs and on my Facebook page. But anyways, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell as well. Make sure to follow all of my socials as well. Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Links will be down in the description below. But anyways, it's Oliver's Cars and Reviews and we'll see you all in that next video. Cheers everyone. Ocar signing out.